Hello, my name is Chris Lancia. I'm originally from Trumbull, Connecticut, which is located in Fairfield County, Connecticut, and it is a suburban town which is bordered by Bridgeport, Connecticut, Fairfield, Connecticut, and Easton, Connecticut. There, I attended Trumbull High School and played soccer for the FCAC Golden Eagles, where we were crowned FCAC champions. I also was a part of many clubs, like the Self Club, Key Club, and most importantly, the Italian Club. I chose Quinnipiac because in the fall of 2017, I attended St. John's University. However, after much consideration and talking to many friends and family, I decided Quinnipiac University would be a much better fit for me. I like to play soccer, like as seen in this photo right here, where I'm playing against the Maryland Terps, who are the reigning Big Ten champs. I used to play at St. John's University, however now I play for Quinnipiac University. Something I also like to do is hang out with my friends, no matter what we're doing, whether it be going to the movies, going to a restaurant, or just hanging out at somebody's house. Whether I'm in good company, that's all that matters, and I'm having a good time. Something that I want to learn from this course is to be able to take my talents and bring them into the real business world, like as seen from many of your past students. I think this is important so I can make a living and live a good life. Also, I think something that I can learn from this course is to take my writing ability and bring it to a new level where I could present it to other people in the business industry so I could possibly make a living from it in the future. Thank you for listening to my presentation.